Now you understand that the aspirations of the people and again the overall vibrant diversity that we have as a nation revolves around the aspirations of our people to preserve and protect our identity, which revolves around also our language. Now there has been a persistent demand from the people of Meghalaya for inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. Now, having done all the necessary due diligence to qualify for inclusion in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, we do not understand the reason why there should be further delay for the government of India to take action on this and complete this whole process for inclusion of this Garo and Khasi language in 8th schedule. This is inconsistent with the aspirations of our people, particularly the youth. You understand, the era of, this globalization where people are looking at spaces of jobs all across the country, and also when you have the youth who are aspiring to offer themselves to serve the state, to serve the nation. Inclusion of these languages in the 8th schedule provides a space, or rather a platform for level playing ground for the youth.